Carbon footprint refers to the total amount of greenhouse gas emissions produced by an individual, organization, event, or product. These emissions include carbon dioxide, methane, and other gases that contribute to climate change. Here are some of the merits and demerits of carbon footprint. Merits: increased awareness. Carbon footprint has helped increase awareness of the impact that human activities have on the environment. It has led to many people and organizations taking steps to reduce their emissions and adopt more sustainable practices. Reduced emissions. By measuring and tracking carbon footprint, organizations and individuals can identify areas where they can reduce their emissions. This can lead to significant reductions in greenhouse gas emissions, which can help mitigate the effects of climate change. Better decision making. Carbon footprint analysis can help organizations make better decisions about their operations and products. By understanding the environmental impact of their activities, organizations can identify opportunities to improve efficiency and reduce waste. Demerits. Complexity. Carbon footprint analysis can be complex and time-consuming. It requires specialized expertise and tools to accurately measure emissions and track changes over time. Cost. Measuring and tracking carbon footprint can be expensive, particularly for small businesses and individuals. It may require investments in new equipment or software, or hiring specialized consultants. Limited scope. Carbon footprint analysis typically only measures direct emissions from an organization's operations or products. It may not take into account emissions from the supply chain, customer use, or end-of-life disposal of products. In conclusion, while carbon footprint has its merits in increasing awareness, reducing emissions, and improving decision-making, it also has demerits including complexity, cost, and limited scope. However, overall, it is an important tool in promoting sustainability and mitigating the effects of climate change. How carbon footprint is related to human data? Carbon footprint and human data are related in several ways. Firstly, human data, such as population growth, consumption patterns, and lifestyle choices, directly impact carbon footprint. For example, a larger population means increased demand for energy and resources, which in turn leads to higher carbon emissions. Secondly, the collection and analysis of human data is essential for accurately measuring carbon footprint. This includes data on energy consumption, transportation habits, waste generation, and other factors that contribute to greenhouse gas emissions. By analyzing this data, organizations and individuals can identify opportunities to reduce their carbon footprint and adopt more sustainable practices. Finally, the management and analysis of human data also plays a role in developing strategies to address climate change. For example, data analytics can be used to identify patterns and trends in emissions data, which can inform policy decisions and guide investments in clean energy and other sustainable technologies. In conclusion, human data and carbon footprint are closely intertwined, with human data playing a critical role in both measuring and mitigating the impact of human activities on the environment. By collecting and analyzing human data, we can better understand our impact on the planet and develop strategies to reduce our carbon footprint and promote sustainability.